Little look at Ethereum then on the daily time frame. As we can see, still looking ridiculously parabolic here. Ever since we came back down and back tested our 100 moving average, we've had this insane up only price action for Ethereum, where it's essentially doubled in value in the space of a month, which is pretty ridiculous, to be honest, and obviously looking very, very unsustainable for the long term. The more you zoom out, the more crazy this price action starts to look, as you can see here. But obviously Ethereum having a great time ever since these lows of the bear market down here, sitting around $800, almost at a nice 5x from there. We are at a 5x, aren't we? 800, yeah, 5x from the lows for Ethereum here, from around 2 years ago now, which is a really, really nice gain, especially on such a large, well-established crypto. To get these kinds of gains is pretty mad, to be fair, so congratulations if you bought the lows. Obviously we had this kind of ascending triangle formation like this, didn't we, for the bear market this time around for Ethereum, testing the lows and the highs continuously, and then really it was just a simple break retest, and now we're getting that parabolic move, closing the gap to the all-time high, sitting up here at just under 5k. Looking very, very good today, obviously, as always. Over the past few weeks, over the past month, or almost 2 months really, we've had up only and very, very insane price action for Ethereum to the upside here. Looking like we are starting to get a little bit toppy in this local area maybe, so perhaps a pullback coming back down into this area here would be probably prudent and maybe would happen. You can see here on the hourly time frame, we've been riding this 100 moving average on the hourly for basically this entire uptrend here, as you can see, apart from this big deviation here which got instantly bought up, and then continuation here, probably liquidation, just a lot of liquidation of long positions there, causing a bit of cascade in the market. But overall, Ethereum looking really, really strong on the daily time frame here as well. As I've said before, I think since we've hit a new peak for Bitcoin before the halving, we could end up seeing more new all-time highs for Ethereum pretty damn soon, but also things looking very, very toppy in general. Bitcoin has really not had any significant corrections, or even Ethereum is even the worst, for example. Obviously the whole market following Bitcoin at all times. So in reality, it seems as though if Bitcoin's going to have a pullback soon, we're going to have a decent correction for Ethereum as well, considering we've made no real structural support, apart from obviously that 0.78 Fibonacci, which we could go back and retest there at around 3.2k. Right now looking very parabolic and very, very strong. Obviously the RSI is absolutely through the roof as well, with buying demand right now. But as I said, if Bitcoin at any point has a significant correction, which is very possible, considering we've never had all-time highs before the halving before for Bitcoin, then we could essentially see ourselves having a big correction across the market. Obviously, Ethereum will be hit even harder than Bitcoin in that reality. So all I'm saying is just stay safe and enjoy these uptrends. Make sure you don't miss out in either way. Don't sit on the sidelines expecting this to have a massive 50% drop and then get in, because it probably won't happen. But at the same time, don't over leverage yourself longing the top of these big long position, these big long price transitions to the upside, because you might end up getting flash crashed out of the market instantaneously. So basically what I'm saying is stay safe and have fun. Try and enjoy these markets as much as you can, because there are some amazing opportunities out there, and let's see what we can do going into the halving.